top 10 affiliate programs in India. So affiliate programming is all about you promote some others products and you earn a commission for each successful referral. So let's see the list. So the first one in the list is Amazon Affiliates Program. So Amazon Affiliates Program is a very popular one across the world. So you can share the links of Amazon products in your blog or in your YouTube channel or in your whatever the profile that you are in. So ultimately people who click that link and purchase a product, you will earn some commission. So it is a very profitable one and it is widely accepted. That's the reason why Amazon Affiliates Program is always the #1 affiliate program. So you can find the links of all the affiliates program that I mentioned here in the description. The first thing is you need to create an account on that. So even whether it might be Amazon affiliates, whatever it might be, you can start sharing products from that list. Find all the links in the description. And the second one in the list is ClickBank. So ClickBank is like you can sell any digital products in ClickBank affiliates program. So in ClickBank, you will find many different affiliate products and many different digital products, whether it might be online courses, gadgets, books, whatever it might be. If you sell something and on every purchase, you will get around 50% to 70% commission. So it means like if you sell a product worth $30, you will get around $15 to $20. So it's how a ClickBank works. ClickBank is also widely accepted across the world. So that's the reason why it is very popular. So now we'll come into the other section. So cryptocurrencies. There are 2 cryptocurrency based apps. So where you can earn a lot. So the reason why I pushed up cryptocurrency based affiliate programs on the top 3 and top 4 is because cryptocurrencies are gaining its popularity in the country. So in the future, you will get a lot when you start promoting cryptocurrency based apps. So the number 3 in the list is OGREX. OGREX is a platform where you can trade and you can invest on cryptocurrencies from India. So you can also get a commission like when you invite a user using your OGREX affiliate link. So for each successful, I can say investment, you will get some money. Number 4 in the list is CoinDCX affiliates program. CoinDCX is also a cryptocurrency based platform based out of India. If you can share the CoinDCX affiliate link, you can earn money. You can earn some commission for each, I can say transaction. So you can find the links of every platform that I mentioned in the description. And we're coming to 5, 6, 7. These are all stock market based apps. Stocks are also gaining its popularity in the past few years. And yeah, there are many apps that are coming every day. So out of them, I picked 3 affiliate programs where you can earn a lot. The 5th one is Zerodha affiliates program. Zerodha is, I can say, a top stockbroker in India where you can trade and you can invest on stocks easily and effortlessly. And there are many users in India when compared to other apps. So you can find the link of Zerodha affiliates program in the description. If you can share them in your circle, if people register their account in Zerodha, you will earn some commission. Number 6 is 5paisa. 5paisa is also a mutual fund and stock market based app where you can also do the same like how you do in Zerodha. So you can also share 5paisa app in your network, and if for every successful referral, you will earn some money as a commission. And number 7 is Upstocks. So you might have seen many Upstocks ads in all the YouTube videos. The reason is Upstocks is, spending a lot on the marketing. So you can also promote Upstocks links directly. So by creating an account, and you can directly join their affiliates program and you can promote their links. And while coming to number 8, 9, 10, these are all cloud hosting and domain based things. Number 8 in the list is GoDaddy affiliates. If you can sell a GoDaddy product in your network, then ultimately you will earn a lot of commission. So what actually GoDaddy does, like they sell domains, I can say email suite, hosting services, whatever it might be. If you are in the education sector, then ultimately people will show interest on purchasing domains as well as hosting services. So GoDaddy affiliates is the best way to earn. Number 9 in the list is Bluehost affiliates program. So Bluehost is somewhat similar to GoDaddy, where you can sell, I can say hosting services, domain names, email marketing suites, whatever it might be. So you can sell everything in Bluehost similar to GoDaddy. If you can refer users, you will also earn some commission. Number 10 is HostGator affiliate program. HostGator is also a cloud hosting service provider where you can sell or you can purchase cloud services like hosting services, domain names, and everything. If you can suggest, or if you can promote HostGator services in your network, for every successful referral, you will earn some money. So these are all the top 10 affiliate programs in India that I personally have knowledge on. That's the reason why I recommend all these 10. So if you can promote their products, and for every successful referral, you will, I can say, earn some commission out of it. So you can find all the 10 links in the description. Go ahead and start earning you through affiliate marketing programs. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and sharing this video in your network. Thank you.